In this video, we will embark on a journey like no other. We're about to delve into the virtual escape into a new world. Get ready to leave your reality behind and step into a realm of endless possibilities. Whether you're an avid gamer, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about the virtual frontier, this exploration is for you. From immersive virtual reality gaming experiences to the latest in augmented reality, we'll uncover the tech that's transforming how we escape into alternate realms. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this extraordinary adventure together. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more mind-bending explorations like this. Let's escape to new worlds together. The advent of virtual reality technology has revolutionized the way we experience the world. It has opened up new frontiers of exploration and discovery, enabling us to embark on virtual adventures that we might never have considered before. One of the most exciting areas of virtual reality technology is the emergence of virtual reality tourism. This allows us to explore new worlds and cultures, from the comfort of our own homes. From scaling the Eiffel Tower to taking a safari in Africa, virtual reality technology offers limitless possibilities for adventure and exploration. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the rise of virtual reality tourism, how it works, and how you can unlock your own virtual adventure. So, put on your headset and let's explore the exciting world of virtual reality tourism. Introduction: Exploring the world through virtual reality. In a world where travel has become limited and adventure seems out of reach, virtual reality has emerged as a groundbreaking solution to unlock new experiences and transport us to places we've only dreamed of. With the rise of virtual reality tourism, we now have the ability to explore the world from the comfort of our own homes. Virtual reality technology has come a long way in recent years, providing immersive and realistic experiences that go beyond mere entertainment. Through the use of specialized headsets and interactive platforms, users can now step into a virtual world that replicates real-life destinations with stunning accuracy. Imagine standing atop the majestic peaks of the Himalayas, feeling the crisp mountain air on your skin and gazing at the breathtaking landscape stretching before you. Or envision walking along the bustling streets of Paris, admiring the iconic Eiffel Tower and soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of the City of Lights. These are just a few examples of the countless adventures that virtual reality tourism has made possible. One of the most remarkable aspects of virtual reality travel is its ability to cater to individual preferences and interests. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking thrilling experiences like skydiving or bungee jumping, or a history enthusiast yearning to explore ancient ruins and archaeological sites, virtual reality tourism offers a vast array of options to suit every taste. Moreover, virtual reality allows us to transcend the limitations of time and space. We can visit historical landmarks from different eras, witness significant events unfold, and even explore fictional worlds from our favorite movies and books. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. While virtual reality cannot fully replace the authentic experience of physically being present in a new location, it serves as a powerful tool to ignite our sense of wonder and curiosity. It offers a temporary escape from our everyday lives, providing a much-needed dose of adventure and exploration. In the following sections of this video, we will delve deeper into the rise of virtual reality tourism, exploring its benefits, challenges, and the exciting potential it holds for the future of travel. Get ready to embark on a journey like no other as we unlock the doors to new adventures through the captivating world of virtual reality. The evolution of virtual reality technology. Virtual reality technology has come a long way since its inception. Initially, it was primarily associated with the gaming industry, providing users with immersive experiences within virtual worlds. However, in recent years, virtual reality has expanded its horizons and has found its way into various industries, including the tourism sector. The evolution of virtual reality technology has played a pivotal role in unlocking new possibilities for travelers. With advancements in hardware and software, virtual reality has become more accessible and sophisticated, allowing users to experience destinations and adventures from the comfort of their own homes. Gone are the days when travelers relied solely on brochures, photographs, or videos to get a glimpse of their desired destinations. Today, virtual reality offers a transformative experience, transporting users to far-flung places and allowing them to explore iconic landmarks, natural wonders, and cultural sites as if they were physically present. The introduction of high-resolution headsets, motion tracking sensors, and haptic feedback systems has significantly enhanced the realism and immersion of virtual reality experiences. Users can now freely move around within virtual environments, interact with objects, and even feel the virtual world through touch-sensitive gloves or controllers. Moreover, virtual reality has transcended traditional sightseeing by incorporating other sensory elements. With the integration of spatial audio and 360-degree video, users can now hear the sounds of bustling streets, feel the wind on their faces, and even smell the aromas of local cuisines, heightening their sense of presence and engagement. The evolution of virtual reality technology has not only revolutionized the way we perceive and consume travel content but also opened up a world of possibilities for those with limited mobility or financial constraints. It has democratized travel, enabling individuals who may not have the means or physical ability to explore the world in person to still experience the thrill of adventure. As virtual reality continues to evolve, its potential in the tourism industry is boundless. From virtual museum tours to simulated wildlife safaris, the possibilities for immersive travel experiences are expanding, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the future of tourism. As technology continues to advance, we can only imagine the incredible adventures that await us in the virtual realm. The concept of virtual reality tourism. Virtual reality tourism is a groundbreaking concept that has revolutionized the way people experience and explore new destinations. With the rapid advancements in technology, virtual reality has become more accessible and immersive than ever before. This innovative form of tourism allows individuals to embark on virtual journeys, transporting themselves to iconic landmarks, breathtaking landscapes, and even historical sites from the comfort of their own homes. The concept of virtual reality tourism is based on the idea of using virtual reality headsets or devices to simulate a realistic and interactive environment that mimics real-world travel experiences. Through a combination of 360-degree videos, computer-generated graphics, and sensory feedback, users are able to engage with their surroundings and feel as though they are physically present in the destination. One of the key advantages of virtual reality tourism is its ability to provide access to destinations that may be difficult, expensive, or even impossible to visit in reality. Whether it's exploring the depths of the Great Barrier Reef, scaling the towering peaks of the Himalayas, or strolling through the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, virtual reality allows individuals to fulfill their wanderlust and satisfy their curiosity about the world without leaving their homes. Another aspect that makes virtual reality tourism appealing is its potential for customization and personalization. Users can tailor their virtual experiences according to their preferences, choosing the destinations, activities, and even the pace of their virtual adventures. Whether someone desires a relaxing beach getaway, a thrilling adventure, or a cultural exploration, virtual reality tourism offers a range of options to cater to different interests and desires. Furthermore, virtual reality tourism has the potential to enhance the educational value of travel. Through immersive virtual reality experiences, individuals can learn about the history, culture, and natural wonders of various destinations. This educational aspect opens up new possibilities for students, researchers, and lifelong learners to gain knowledge and understanding of different places and cultures without the limitations of physical travel. In conclusion, the concept of virtual reality tourism has transformed the way people can experience and engage with the world. It offers a unique and accessible avenue for adventure, exploration, and education. As technology continues to advance, virtual reality tourism is set to unlock even more possibilities, inspiring wanderlust and providing unforgettable experiences for individuals from all walks of life.